right place. Team DPS, you're gonna come join me. This is the ALAS President's Reception. I am the president of this incredible organization. Let's see who's having fun in here. And I hear there are gonna be some students who are gonna serenade us. Exciting. Vámonos. Dr. Durán, how are you? Please tell them who you are and what you do and what you've been for this organization, por favor.
Francisco Durán, Superintendent, Arlington, Virginia, DC area. Been a member of ALAS for 18 years. And 18 years. And I've been on the board going on almost, just finishing 10 years on the board. And then ALAS has been a family, a foundation, a support, a group that's just been driving force for me to know what it means to be a Latino leader in spaces where I often work in states currently where I'm the only Latino superintendent, and many places where I've been the only one. ALAS is the place where I can come and be with my familia and get that support and love that we need.
Not only are you one of the few who are Latino leaders doing exceptional work, you're not someone to back down, and you're gonna defend kids.
Dr. Eudes Budhai, on the ALAS board, along with our president here, Dr. Marrero. We founded the New York ALAS in New York. The leadership that keeps transcending from one place to another, we just have to keep uplifting people to come back and make sure that they continue the legacy that he's leaving right now.
I am the very proud Dr. Leslie Torres Rodriguez. Estoy aquí en la presencia del presidente. I'm the president-elect of ALAS, and I'm always so impressed because people say that they come here, they feel like they're in a familia. And guess what? That's what we try to do all the time.
Hello, my name is Pedro Rivera. I'm the president of Thaddeus Stevens College and the college rep here on the ALAS board. I think the organization has evolved. Our members have evolved. But I would also say, as a sign of the times, as conditions and our communities change, as education changes, as the needs of our communities change, our organization has changed to meet those needs.
Been a mariachi since I was 5 years old. Professional, and started a mariachi program when I was a high school teacher.
What do you rate the kids?
I give them a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. They were impeccable.
Cuteness rating, 12. Musicianship, 10. Leadership, 10. Superintendent, 100. For me, ALAS just has this indelible place in my heart because it's always been about familia, but it's also been about professional growth. And I was hooked then, and I've been hooked even more every year.
We are here with la doctora Patricia Hurrieta.
The work that we're doing is transformative and innovative, and people want to hear more about it. One of our council members is also a member here, and so we also have national representation locally, as well as our local experts.
Tell the story on how we became familiar with each other.
We got into a setting that felt like we didn't belong. But I want you to know, this is to all of our children, all of our kids that are there. You absolutely do. Just embrace who you are. This is if you can embrace who you are, the world will eventually.
Don't let the fear of trying get in the way. You're gonna miss every shot you don't take.
I'm Carlos Santana. Some people mistake me for Andy Garcia. And then sometimes they think I'm Jimmy Smits. But really I'm Edward James Olmos. I thank ALAS. They've been here a long time. And I gotta tell you, it's an honor and a privilege to be here. It's an honor and a privilege to be meeting you and being with you and talking with you today. And for us to be able to say to everyone that's listening to us, you are the future. You are the reason we have hope. Move forward, please.
I am incredibly fortunate not only to be part of this organization, also to allow the doors to be open for the DPS community that always shows up in a great way, showcasing the great work that we have to share, but also to offer for all to replicate and emulate. So thank you to DPS for always supporting this organization. Thank you for this organization, ALAS, for supporting people like me and our district. It's truly symbiotic. We're growing well together. Signing off, it's your proud superintendent, but in this context, the proud president of ALAS.